Welcome to Darajo tutorial. For this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to work with the hash and gradient tools, how to use them. So let's say for instance, I come to this rectangle, draw a rectangle here. To draw this rectangle, I come to measurement, I come to rectangle, I click, come at this, I right click. In my previous tutorial, I taught you how to draw a rectangle, I come to measurement, I come to dimension, type 12 feet, enter, type another 12 feet, enter. So if I do this rectangle here has been drawn according to measurement. So I want to put a cycle in here. I'll come like this. Put a cycle in here. I want to use my hash and my gradient tools. So I'll come here to hash. I'll come here to solid, meaning I want a specific color. Come here to color. Let me take CN. Click here. So when you click to the area to which you want to select, this is that the color appears there. So you see there is CN. So I want to put CN here. Click this boundary. So I say enter. So I want to come back to select and see another color. Come to hash, click on it, come back to colors. Maybe I can, if I don't really need this color that here, AutoCAD have 270 colors, so I can come to more colors, click on it. Notice that this is all of my colors in AutoCAD. So I can take this color, click, I say OK. So I come back, click here, click here. So when I do that, I press the spacebar key to activate it. So if I want to put gradient here, so I click, come here. So for the gradient is where you combine two colors. So I come here to blue, take this color, come here to CN, take this color. So if I want to do some editing on the color, I come here to move color, come here to choose color, take this cross, bring it down small, make this one dark small, OK. So I'll come here, as you can see, this is it. So I'll click here, take this one here. So press the spacebar key to make it active. So I come to rectangle, click here, click here. So within this, I'll be teaching you about hash pattern. So I'll come here to hash, come here to click on hash, come here to pattern, click here, come to pattern, come here. I want put this pattern here, come here to answer 31, click, come here to color, make it red. So I click here. So this is I use the pattern, but I'm not really seeing it yet. So I'll come to scale, say 23, press the tab key. So if I do this, as you can see, I'm now seeing the pattern to which I'm using here. So I want to make this out of 45-degree angle or out of 180-degree angle. As you can see here is angle. So I click here, say 180, press the tab key. So when I do this, notice that it is slanting at 180-degree angle. So after I've done this, press the spacebar key to make it active. So if I want to do the same thing, I come to hash, come here to pattern. Maybe I want to use Asha's shingles. So I click on it. So I come here, I click, I come here to scale, take 2, press the tab key. See it? So you can use the arrow to make it a little more realistic. So I click on it. So I come to set origin, click, pull it here. I set my origin at a point here. So I'll come back to my angle, say 45-degree. So as you can see, it is now set at a 45-degree. So if I want to change the color, I can change the color to CN, say enter. So let's say for instance, if I have multiple hashing like this, have this, if I have a multiple hashing like this, I come to hash, come to solid, I have this hash here, I have this one here, I have this one here, which is feedback key. Notice that if I select it, everything will get selected, but I want for it to be separate from each other. So I select it, I right click, come to hash elite, come here to separate hashes. So I click, I say okay. So when I do this, I can select this one, I erase it apart. So I can select this one, I erase it apart, or I can copy it. So that's how you work with hashes and gradient. So thank you all so much to hit the Joe tutorial. You can go to my YouTube channel, like my page, and subscribe. Thank you. God bless you.